Top 9 Health Benefits of Eating Chicken. Welcome to Roco Diet, where we make eating healthy simple and delicious. Today, we're talking about a powerhouse ingredient found in kitchens around the world, chicken. From its high protein to its brain-boosting nutrients, chicken has a lot to offer. Let's dive into the top 9 health benefits of eating chicken. Benefit 1: Rich in lean protein. Number 1 on our list is that chicken is packed with lean protein. Lean protein from chicken, especially cuts like breast, is fantastic for muscle growth, repair, and energy. This makes it ideal for athletes, those in recovery, and anyone focusing on muscle gain or weight loss. Benefit 2: Low in fat. Next up, chicken is low in fat when eaten without the skin. This means fewer saturated fats, fewer calories, and an easier path to weight management. It's perfect for anyone looking to lower their cholesterol and support a healthy heart. Benefit 3: Packed with vitamins and minerals. Chicken isn't just about protein. It's also rich in B vitamins like B6 and B12, which help with energy, immunity, and brain function. It also contains phosphorus for bone strength and selenium, which acts as a powerful antioxidant to fight cell damage. Benefit 4: Supports heart health. Chicken is a heart-friendly choice. With its lean protein and low saturated fat, it can help manage cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and lower the risk of heart disease. Add it to your diet and give your heart a boost. Benefit 5: Boosts immune system. The vitamins, particularly B6, in chicken play a big role in immunity. B6 helps produce red blood cells and supports the body's natural defenses, making it easier to fight off infections. Benefit 6: Helps with mood and sleep. Did you know that chicken can also help with mood and sleep? It contains tryptophan, an amino acid that boosts serotonin, the feel-good hormone. This can help relieve stress, improve your mood, and even regulate your sleep. Benefit 7: Weight management. Chicken's high protein content helps keep you feeling full longer, making it easier to manage weight and reduce overall calorie intake. When you feel full, you're less likely to snack on less healthy foods. Benefit 8: Promotes brain health. The B vitamins, especially B12, found in chicken support brain function. They help maintain memory, cognitive processes, and may even reduce the risk of cognitive decline over time. Benefit 9: Supports bone health. Last but not least, chicken is a great source of minerals like phosphorus and calcium, essential for bone health. This helps maintain bone strength and reduces the risk of bone diseases as we age. Closing. So there you have it. The top 9 benefits of adding chicken to your diet. From lean protein to heart health, chicken is a powerful addition to any meal plan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more nutrition tips here on Roco Diet. Thanks for watching.